I think home is a place where you feel welcome, actually. I don't necessarily think it's a building. I think could be everywhere, actually. It's just where you feel welcome. That's what home is to me. I got into real estate because I bought a home many, many years ago, and I found the experience quite tedious. The difference between Ian Reid and our competitors is our support. The support staff are fantastic, all our admin girls are great, and the team itself all working towards a common goal for our clients. We know the pitfalls to look for. We know what to look for to enhance the value in a home. So I think the best way is to have a trusted advisor that can offer you the right advice in the right manner. When people are deciding to sell a property, we can make sure that they're choosing the right agent, marketing the property correctly, pricing it correctly, and when an offer comes in, they know whether or not to take it so they can ensure that they get the right result. For the B-roll, I'll say home is where my dog is. I just simply love it. I love real estate, and I like helping people. Just absolutely love it. It's a fantastic job, very rewarding.